Hello, my dear students. Our lesson today is word formation. It means how to change a verb to a noun to a verb, an adjective, or to an adverb. What is a suffix? A suffix like able, et or it, eyes, meant, etc. These are just some examples of the suffixes. So let's first define the suffix. What is a suffix? Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a base word, root word, to make a new word. It can change the part of speech from a verb to a noun. Remember that base words are complete and make sense as independent words. Let's first watch this video and then go back to the third slide.
I am the noun, and this is my sister suffixes. I am the noun, and this is my sister suffixes.
Hello everybody, I am the suffixes.
I'm gonna sing a song. 1, 2, 3. Men, itty, hood, check. Men, itty, hood, check. They are the noun suffixes. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Okay, so can you tell me how many noun suffixes have you seen in this video? Yes, there are 4. Et or it, meant, hood, and the last one is chip. Right. So let's see some examples, and before watch some examples and get to know more about the suffixes, let's look at this chart. This chart shows you it's like adding colors or mixing colors together to make a new one. This, presents the adding suffixes to a noun or a verb or an adjective or an adverb to make it into a new one. Okay? Just keep it in mind. Then, here's some examples. Sincere. With it or plus the suffix it, it becomes sincerity. Another one, move. Move is a verb, to change your position or to move to another place. Plus meant, it becomes movement. Movement. The pronunciation of meant here, it's not meant like this one. It becomes like mint, like I. We pronounce E here like I, okay? Meant, movement. The third one, attract. Attract plus I've, it becomes attractive. Attractive. So, now, how many types of suffixes are there? Yes, there are 4 types. Do you know them? Can you guess? Think about it, please. The first one is noun suffixes, and our lesson today will be all about it. The second one is adjective suffixes. The third one is verb suffixes, and the fourth one is adverb suffixes. Let's figure out together. What do suffixes mean? Do they make sense? Do you think that they have meaning? Yes, they have meanings. Yes. Let's take a look. Meant means the state or result of. Meant, enjoyment. The state of being enjoyable or enjoyed. Shin, information. Inform is a verb, information is a noun. Shin, progression. Progression. It's a noun from the verb progress. The second one, the state or condition of it, et, or t. Flexibility, the condition of being flexible. Poverty, the condition of being extremely poor. Ability, the condition or the state of being able to do something. The third one means the person who does something. This is the short form of our contraction of the word something. You can find this contraction in a dictionary. Teacher. Okay, teacher. It's a noun from the verb teach. So the teacher is the person who teaches students or other people. E or pronounced like he, trainee. And ist, scientist. The last one, or like sailor, from the verb sail. It's your turn now. Fill in the correct word. We have 6 sentences and you have to fill these words and put them in the correct form of the word. You can't keep them like this. Now, for example, number 1, I looked at my cat with admire. We can't say with admire. After preposition, we have to use a noun. So it becomes, I looked at my cat with admiration. Yes, now it's correct. Number 2, we discussed the problem of poor. No, poor is an adjective. We have to change it into a noun. Can you guess? What is it? We discussed the problem of, we have mentioned it before in the previous slide, if you remember. Yes, it's poverty. We discussed the problem of poverty. Number 3, his blank of butterflies is magnificent. Collect. So, his collect of butterflies is magnificent? No. Super wrong. His collection of butterflies is magnificent. 4, did you attend the basketball compete? No. We can use a verb at the end of the question. Did you attend the basketball? Can you guess? Yes. Competition. Number 5, have you heard the announce? No. It becomes a noun here. After the articles the, an, or a, we use a noun. So, have you heard the announcement? Have you heard the announcement? Number 6, what is your decision? Yes, we can say, what is your decide? I know a couple of questions or many questions have come to your mind to ask me, Miss, how can I recognize all of these words? How can I add shin or t or meant, or I shin like with S-I-O-N, not with T-I-O-N? You have to memorize them as in context, as they are in context, okay? So you have to read and memorize the word form. You can sing them a song, you can use mind map or whatever, or what is the best way to memorize these words. But the best way is to use them in sentences, in context, okay? This is what we have to do, or what we will do in the next slide. Here we go. Here we have 2 texts, okay? The first one uses this word as a verb, and the second one we change it from a verb to a noun. Please pay attention to the changes that we have made, okay, to the context. I will read it first. Our plane departed from San Francisco on time. We arrived in San Diego at 11 a.m. The plane landed without difficulty. A bus transported us promptly and comfortably to our hotel. departure of our plane from San Francisco was on time. Our arrival in San Diego was at 11 a.m. The landing of the plane was not difficult. The transportation by the bus to our hotel was prompt and comfortable. Here we go. So the changes here, the departure of, our arrival in. So where is the verb here? Here it is, was, okay? And the verb here of this sentence, the first sentence, is was also. So the departure is a noun, and we use the noun after the article the and we before a preposition. So, and also this also applied to the whole words, the landing and the transportation. I hope this is very helpful for you. Please, I want you to read it first for many times and copy these two texts into your notebooks to differentiate between these differences, okay, and to recognize them. Thank you for watching. I hope everything is clear. Thank you, my dear students. See you soon, inshallah.